Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken noodle soup with chicken breast. First, prepare your ingredients by dicing 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast into 1-inch pieces. Next, chop 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These fresh vegetables will form the flavorful foundation of your delicious soup. Ensure you have 6 cups of chicken broth and 2 tablespoons of olive oil on hand. Now heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. This step builds a wonderful aromatic base for your soup. Next, introduce the chicken pieces to the pot, cooking them until they are lightly browned on all sides, sealing in their juices. Once the chicken is browned, pour in 6 cups of chicken broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Now it's time for the noodles. Add 1 cup of egg noodles and cook them according to the package directions, which is typically 7 to 10 minutes. Finally, season your soup with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or dill for extra flavor. Your homemade chicken noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the hot, comforting soup into bowls and garnish with a bit of fresh parsley for a pop of color and flavor. Serve it immediately with some warm, crusty bread on the side for a truly satisfying and complete meal. This recipe is perfect for a cozy evening or when you need a little comfort. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.